What is going on, guys? Today we are gonna be unboxing the HyperX Cloud 2. Alright, so yep. This is a voiceover, by the way. Also, so the reason I got this Cloud 2 is because all this time I've been using a an earphone, and the mic is not really good. And also, this video is being recorded on the Cloud 2. The voiceover is being recorded on the Cloud 2. You got the manual there, and then there's some ear cups inside the box. It's a pretty good packaging from HyperX, right? It's a pretty good package. Ear cups, 2 ear cups for replacement, I think. And just wait, I'm just gonna put it down there. So now this is the headset. So the Cloud 2 pretty good, hey? Seems just amazing, honestly. Oh, that's a mic. So yeah, that's a mic. And then that's gonna be the bag that you could put on. Maybe if you go to a LAN party or something, you can put your headset on like that. And then here's the controller or the sound card of the Cloud 2. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the packaging of the HyperX Cloud 2. Now let's talk about some like the reasons why I got the Cloud 2. Oh yeah, because I needed an upgrade for audio. First of all, audio I need an upgrade, and second of all I need a better mic. Cloud 2 mic is pretty good, so it does the job for me. Um, and also it was on sale. So the the MSRP of the Cloud 2 was 180 Australian dollars, but now it's only $99, which I think is a complete steal. So I gotta get out, make an upgrade for myself and the Cloud 2. And I got the red version because my mouse pad there's a red pattern, and my monitor, which is AOC Agon, that's got the red text. I think it's just a great match, isn't it? So that's why I got the red HyperX Cloud 2, and it's just pretty good now. That's the mic, and yeah, the build of this is just solid. It's very good. Like honestly, it feels pretty great. And we're gonna plug it in. The cables, so much cables to take out. Jesus. The controller in this headset, it got a surround sound of 7.1 surround sound, which is pretty good. Um, and it's just an overall great package, honestly. Uh, Maybe after a few weeks of using it, I'll do a review about this headset. This video is just an unboxing, and I just told you guys the reasons why I got it, really. So yeah, and now we got the headset. You can see it's so shiny. Yeah, the build is very sturdy. It's very nice. So additional ear cups. Those ones doesn't seem to be as good as the pre-installed one. Anyways, I'm pretty happy with the purchase, and that's it. Bye, guys.